Good morning. What do you do?
Hello, I am a cook. I like to cook. I make butter, meat and soup.
Hello. What about you?
I am teacher. I have a pen. I teach children very well.
Hello. What do you do?
I'm a tailor. I make a dress. It is yellow, red for little less.
Hello. And you?
Hello, 1, 2, 3. Look at me. I'm a doctor, as you see. Come to me when you are you. I will give to the best pill.
Все профессии важны.
Все профессии нужны.